You don't need thousands of dollars to start.
This ain't about getting rich quick.
This is about getting free, for real.
One share at a time. One habit at a time. One decision at a time.
Freedom don't come fast. But it always comes to the disciplined. And if nobody ever told you this before,
Let me talk to you real for a minute. Not like a teacher, but like somebody who had to learn the hard way.
You're not late.
You just getting started. So when is a restick?
now let's talk about what they never taught us about money.
Stock literacy for the people.
Soli Deo Gloria.
Let me ask you something real quick. Did anyone ever sit you down, your parents, your school, your job, and teach you how to build wealth in the stock market? I'm going to guess no. And if they did, I'd bet it didn't sound anything like your actual life. Because the advice we get, max out your 401k, diversify your portfolio, that's advice written for people who already have money. This video is for everybody else. If you have been living paycheck to paycheck, if your investing budget is whatever's left after the bills, if you thought the stock market was for rich people, this is the video they never wanted you to see. The rich rules over the poor, and the borrower is the slave of the lender. Proverbs 22:7. Here is the truth nobody tells you. The stock market does not have a minimum. You do not need $10,000 to start. You do not need a financial advisor. You do not need a degree in economics. What you need is a strategy built for your situation, not someone else's. The real barrier to investing was never money. It was access to information. And today, right now, that barrier is gone. So let's break this down. 5 things the stock market wants you to know. Starting with the one that changes everything. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Benjamin Franklin. Listen close. You ain't broke because you lazy. You broke because nobody showed you how money really move. Lesson 1. You can start with $1. I'm not being dramatic. Fractional shares changed the entire game. Before fractional shares, to buy 1 share of Amazon, you needed over $3,000. 1 share. Now through platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, and Schwab, you can buy a fraction of any stock for as little as $1. That means if Amazon is trading at $200, you can buy 50 cents worth of Amazon today. It counts. It grows. It compounds. The wealthy understood compounding decades before we did. They started early, they started small, and they let time do the heavy lifting. $1 today is not about the dollar. It is about building the habit. The habit is the strategy. Everybody chasing millions. But freedom start with 1 share, bought over and over again. Nobody coming to save you. But the stock market don't care where you from. It only care if you disciplined. Fractional shares. Lesson 2. Stop trying to pick stocks. I know that sounds like the opposite of investing advice. But here is what the data says. Over a 15-year period, over 92% of professional fund managers fail to beat the S&P 500. These are people with MBAs, Bloomberg terminals, and research teams. And they still lose to a simple index fund. Now what does that mean for us? It means the smartest investing strategy for someone building from zero is also the simplest one. Buy an index fund, something like VOO, which tracks the S&P 500, or VTI, which is the total US market. When you buy VOO, you own a small piece of the 500 largest companies in America. Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon, all of them, for the price of one share. You are not gambling. You are betting on the American economy, and historically, that bet wins. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it. Albert Einstein, VOO, VTI ticker symbols. Commit your work to the Lord, and your plans will be established. Proverbs 16:3. Lesson 3. The $25 rule. Here is a framework I call the broke investor budget. Take whatever you can realistically set aside each week, even if that is $10, even if it is $25, and automate it. Every payday, the same amount goes into your investment account before you see it, before it hits your checking account, before the bills, before the spending, before life happens. This is called dollar cost averaging, and it is the single most powerful wealth-building tool available to someone on an hourly income. Here is why it works. When the market drops, and it will drop, your $25 buys more shares at the lower price. You benefit from the dip without having to time anything. When the market rises, your existing shares go up. You literally cannot lose in the long run by doing this consistently. $25 a week is $1,300 a year. At the S&P 500's historical average return of about 10% annually, $1,300 a year becomes over $80,000 in 20 years. That is an $80,000 return on a $25 a week habit. No lottery ticket required. With weekly $25 deposits circled, compounding chart showing 20-year growth to $80K. You are already spending money every month. Why not pay yourself first? Lesson 4. The tax advantage they never taught in school. If you are working a job, any job, full-time, part-time, gig work, and your employer offers a 401k match, you are leaving free money on the table if you are not contributing. Let me say that again. Free money. If your employer matches 3% of your contributions, that is a 100% instant return on that 3%. Nothing in the stock market gives you a guaranteed 100% return on day one. Nothing. If you do not have access to a 401k, open a Roth IRA. You contribute after-tax dollars. Your money grows completely tax-free, and when you withdraw it in retirement, you pay zero taxes on the gains. Zero. The wealthy have been using these vehicles for generations. This is not secret knowledge anymore. Open a Roth IRA today. Contribute whatever you can. The IRS allows up to $7,000 per year. Even $50 a month makes a difference that compounds into something real. Every dollar you waste today is a bill your future gotta pay. Employer match funds. You contribute $50. Employer adds $50. Then a Roth IRA growth chart labeled tax-free. 40, 50, 60. Still enough time to change your story. Random spending creates stress. Repeatable investing creates freedom. Lesson 5. Know your exit before you enter. This is OG wisdom. This is the principle that separates investors from gamblers. Before you put a single dollar into any stock, any ETF, any investment, you need to know 3 things. 1. Why are you buying it? 2. What is the target price where you take some profit? 3. What is the price where you cut your losses and get out? If you cannot answer all 3 before you buy, do not buy. This is not pessimism, it is discipline. The market will test your conviction. It will drop. It will look scary. People without an exit plan panic sell at the bottom and lock in their losses. People with a plan hold, or they exit on their terms. You decide your rules before emotions enter the equation. Write it down. Price in, Price target, stop loss. 3 numbers. That is a trade plan. That is how you stop gambling and start investing. OG Dave. We not chasing fast money. OG Princess. We building forever money. Tag premium members. 3 pillars. Buy price. Target price. Stop loss. A little sleep, a little slumber, a little folding of the hands to rest, and poverty will come upon you like a robber. Proverbs 24:33-34. This is a teachable moment. Let the visual breathe. All right, let's bring this home. Here is your 5-step action plan starting today. Step 1. Open a brokerage account. Robinhood, Fidelity, or Schwab. All 3 are free and beginner-friendly. Step 2. Fund it with whatever you can, even $10. Step 3. Buy your first fractional share of VOO or VTI. Step 4. Set up an automatic weekly deposit, whatever amount is real for your budget. Step 5. Do not touch it. Do not check it every day. Let it compound. If your employer offers a 401k match, do that first before anything else. If they do not, open a Roth IRA and start there. Look, the stock market was not built for people who look like us. But the rules? The rules do not care about your zip code. They do not care about your credit score. The compound interest works the same for the single mom in Atlanta as it does for the hedge fund manager in Manhattan. You just have to start. If this hit different, subscribe, because this is what we do at Tag Premium Studios. We bring the street wisdom and the market intelligence to the people who actually need it. Soli Deo Gloria. See you in the next one. Tag Premium 5 Action Steps, Tag Premium Studios. Street wisdom, market intelligence. Soli Deo Gloria.
We appreciate you spending this time with us, because time is the one investment you never get back.
This platform was built for real people, working hard, raising families, and trying to build something better.
Nath, your message helped you. If this message helped you, do us one favor.
Like and subscribe to the Tossie Advisory Group on YouTube. And join us on our stock literacy platform, where discipline turns into progress.
That way.
We wasn't raised on stocks, we was raised on survival.
Visit us today at TossieAdvisoryGroup.com. Because wealth is not built overnight.
It's built one decision at a time.
The system was never built to save us. Paycheck to paycheck. Bills lined up like soldiers, and no backup plan.
Nobody sat us down and explained how money really works. They taught us how to get a job, but never how to build wealth.
We paid for everything and owned nothing. That's when we realized something had to change.
Time.
Stay focused.
Soli Deo Gloria.
But the rules?
The rules work for anybody willing to learn.
Thank you for supporting TAG Premium Studios.